Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, here with Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Right now, I'm sitting inside of a 2022 Honda Passport. This is going to be the Trail Sport, but I just want to get one of these out on the road here because I know you guys have been asking for me to do some test drive videos, so here we are. Now, as I'm doing these videos, I am stepping out of my comfortable zone, so I don't know exactly what you guys want to see yet, and that is well established as my other videos, all right? So drop them down below in the comments if you guys want me to kind of touch more, about a certain particular thing, what you like to see in these videos. Help me out so I make sure I can get these down for you guys. All right, so the Passport is available in 3 trim levels. All right, you're gonna have a EXL, that's gonna be the entry level. Now the EXL is gonna be available in a 2-wheel drive and a all-wheel drive option. All right, so there's gonna be a price difference. Now from that, it goes to the Trail Sport, then the Elite. The Trail Sport and the Elite's only available in all-wheel drive. Now up here on the left hand side, I'm going to take this on a bumpy road. It's a pretty bad road. This is going to be a great road for you guys to test out the independent suspension. All right, so if you guys are taking these out, please do yourself the justice and just get out there on a bumpy road and actually put it to the test, because it's a unibody and it drives really smooth. It's not your typical truck feel. There's going to be a big difference between this and a Toyota 4Runner and then other vehicles in its class. All right, so the question is, how much of a smoother ride do you want? Are you going to put that to the test? Now there's gonna be a lot of cool standard safety features. I cover a lot of that stuff within my walk around videos, so check out my walk around videos. I get my phone out, I actually touch almost every single button in the car to set you guys up from there, so you guys will be in the know. Okay, all right, so this is the bumpy road. Right here, this is a great example to kind of get out there and drive on one of these bad roads. Strongly recommend it. Now, really cool thing that people forget to talk about a lot that has a huge impact in your daily life is the acoustic windshield. All right, that acoustic windshield is going to reduce that road noise, that wind noise, everything that hits that front windshield. I mean, it's a massive windshield. Look at it, from there. All right, now I'm going to get on a little bit on the highway too as well. I'm going to play around a little bit with the safety features from there for you guys at least can see how it kind of works out a little bit. Everything here in your climate control is pretty nice and easy to manage to get to. I can play with things pretty darn quick as we're driving down the road. All right, now we are going to have your intelligent traction management right here, standard in all of them. So for your all-wheel drives, you get a couple different modes. It's gonna be like sand, mud, and snow. If you have a 2-wheel drive EXL, you get snow and normal, so you can go right back from there. You still get a snow mode. It's going to change how your car is going to perform to optimize your handling in that ideal environment. All right, now you get a lot of cool stuff, like I already said, the safety stuff. You get your blind spot information system too as well. I have a video down below in the description that shows you that in action. Hopefully we can put that so you guys can see it. 2-seat memory, parking sensors. I mean, the list just goes on. And there's a lot of stuff. We're about to get up here on some smooth road after we pass this light up here for you folks. Now, let's see if I can play around with the navigation. Yes, we can, as we do a little driving. So I know that's a common question there for you guys. Hey, can I play around with the navigation as the car's in motion? There it is. You have this green bar right here. As you can see, as you're driving, it's gonna be a fuel efficiency backlight. It just really pops right up. It's green when you're being fuel efficient, and then when you're not, it goes to white. All right. So everything is pretty nice and easy to read. I can see how fast I'm going. This is not a whole bunch of clutter up here. It's pretty nice and cleaned up. I like it. The visibilities, I like how they have like this glass right here, so it's not just another part of, you can't see past, just blind spots. Looking for it. For myself, I'm 6 foot. I got the mirror adjusted just fine. I can see through the back mirror. Side mirrors worked out pretty good too as well. I feel like the visibility is not too bad. I feel like it's pretty good. I can see maybe my wife. She is quite a bit shorter than me. She hates driving bigger vehicles though, just because she just is comfortable with them. So if you're one of those individuals, hey, take it out in the parking lot, drive it a little bit first, kind of get the size difference, especially if you're used to driving a small car. This could be a big difference from there. Now this is going to be a unibody. It's not built on frame. All right, so I don't know if I share that already. So it's it's way different. All right, I'm gonna keep coming back to that. Now as we get right up here, I'm gonna try to step on it if this car allows it, so you can see the acceleration. All right, We're gonna have a 3.5 V6 that's gonna be in here with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Fuel economy, it's rated for 19 for the city, then 24 for the highway. So you do get a combined of 21. We're gonna give this guy a second. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna step on it right now. Not bad. I mean, we're already at 50. So, I mean, gets up and go. Towing capacity. So if you guys are going to do any towing, just let you know that all-wheel drives have 5,000 pound towing capacity, while the two-wheel drive, the EXL, once again, it's only is available for is 3,500 pounds of towing. All right. Now, as we get up here, I'm going to play a little bit with the lane keep assist, so you guys can see that in action too. Now, if I miss anything through these videos, you guys have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. Your questions, what you like to see. I try to make time to go through all this stuff as I'm doing my stuff here at the dealership too. Oh, that beeped at me, the blind spot. It's picking up that car. This is the same test drive route I take all my customers on. Just recommend. I mean, it gives you a little bit of highway, gives you, you know, clean and rough city roads, all that kind of stuff. Now, we are experiencing the idle stop. I know there's a lot of mixed feelings about it, but as soon as I let go of the brake pedal, it just kicks right back on. So it's pretty nice. It's a smooth transition for how that kind of goes. I know it's something new. People have mixed feelings, but it's not too bad. I don't mind it. All right, here we go. I'm gonna hit the main button. I can see the green writing up there. My Honda sensing's available. I'm gonna hit set, cruise control set right there, 59. Let's change that up. I'm at 63. All right, so we have a car in front of us. As we can see, it's filled in. Blind spot just came right on. Only time it beeps is when you have turning indicator on. I'm gonna come over here off to the side now. Oh, found it. And it moves me back, recenters me, as you guys can see right there. All right, there's going to be a point it's going to say, hey, steering's required. It's going to pop up here soon. Okay, now no longer a car right there in the adaptive cruise control in that range that you have set. I can see that because it's hollowed out car right now, and then there it goes, steering's required. I'm going to turn on my indicator here so I can easily get onto the overside. Let's say if you forget to turn on your turning indicator while your lane keep assist is on, and eventually it's just going to stop trying to guide you, push you, whatever. It's pretty easy going. All right. Super windy out today. I mean, we had some pretty good winds back there, and the lane keep assist really didn't have an issue with that, so that's actually really nice. I don't feel any major jerking or anything. All right, idle stops enabled. You can tell by the green A there's a setting to turn that on or off. I kind of go over that for you guys as vehicle settings. I had that turned on for the wife's CRV. She loves it. Now, if you guys are looking for something smaller, you would be checking out the CRV. Okay, there's quite a bit of size difference on that from there. So if you guys are looking at, I do have 22 videos. 23s are coming once they arrive at the dealership. There's a redesign for those CRVs. Now, if you need something with a third row seat because the Passports don't have it, you need to be looking at the Honda Pilot. All right. I will throw a link down there below too in the description for the Honda Pilot for the walk around video. From there, then also if I have a test drive video already set up for you guys. But it's going to be very similar to what you see here between a Passport and a Pilot. Very similar. Comes right over. I'm going to park this right back where I found it. Then I'm going to, it's super windy, so when I jump out of the car, guys, hopefully stuff won't blow away. Hopefully the wind's not too bad. But I want to sit behind myself, all right? So you guys can kind of get an idea of what to see if you guys don't have a chance to look at one of these at your dealership, all right? right back here on the pad. Got a ridge line here, brand new ridge line for you guys. Backup camera, boom, I got the reverse tilt on the side mirror, so as I select that, it comes right down one at a time. Got a little graph here for my parking sensors. All right, so here we go. We're gonna jump right here in the back, guys. Bear with me. Make sure it's all unlocked. Here it is. So you still got that nice orange stitching going. Now the seats are gonna be slide forward and back. All right, so pretty nice. Jump right in here. I have plenty of space. Oh yeah, this is gonna be nice. This would be great. All right, so there it is, guys.